Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to convert Word to PDF and PDF to Word only using Microsoft Word. First section, I will convert this document into PDF. Open File tab, click Export. If you have Adobe Acrobat, you can choose this option. Create Adobe PDF. You can customize this options, but I'll just use the default options. Then click Save. Now it's already converted into PDF. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat, you can choose this option. Then click this. You can customize this options too, but I'll just use default like before. Then click Publish. By default, the PDF will open in your browser like this. Now, I will show you how to convert PDF to Word. Go into File tab. Click Open. Find your PDF file. Then it will show some warning like this, but it's okay. The quality of the converted Word might be a little different depend on the images, tables, etc. And there you go. Hope it helps. Sorry if it doesn't. Thanks for watching.